Bunnies.
Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a Disney princess themed balloon bouquet. First, I'm gonna inflate these balloons to make some quads. I'm choosing the colors yellow, pink, blue, purple, green, and gold. These colors are inspired by the gowns of the Disney princesses. Yesterday, I got a call from a client and she said she wanted to have a Disney-themed birthday party for her daughter. Now let's go back to our bouquet. I'm gonna use some foil balloons, some 5 inches balloons, and 260 Qs. I'm gonna inflate this 18-inch number 8 foil balloon in rose gold color, and this one with printed Disney princess image on it. Next, I'm gonna inflate some 5-inch balloons to make a little quad. So this is gonna be the neck of the number 8 foil balloon and Disney princess foil balloon. These two quads will be attached first to the foil balloons using a 260Q balloon. I'm gonna make another video tutorial on how to do it. Now, let's go back to the base. I have 2 green balloons and I'm gonna attach it to the yellow and gold quads. It should look like a flower balloon like this. I'm using this ribbon to tie them all together to make a cluster. But if you don't have one, then you can just use a fish line. Then I'm putting these smaller quads next to the bigger quads. And then I'm putting another bigger quads next to the smaller quads. Just continue the steps and I'll just speed up the process, it won't take too long. So there, I'm done with the base. Now I'm attaching these 2 balloon weights to keep the base sturdy. I have a previous video tutorial on how to make a balloon weight, so you can check it out later. Now it's time to attach these 2 foil balloons at the top of the base using a ribbon. I'm using a balloon glue dot to make it secured. So if your place is windy, then this balloon glue dot will prevent it from flying away. And to make it more secured, I'm using this balloon glue dot to stick these 2 foil balloons together. So here's my final work, and it comes with a twist because I added some curly and flower balloons. And I'm gonna make a tutorial on my next video, so I hope you stick around. That's all for now. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching.
Please like and comment.